all in His plan. Don't need to understand. What if the breakthrough comes after the breakdown? What if the healing comes after the pain now? He won't waste a single tear. He has something for you here. Don't lose hope. One thing I know, He's moving. He's in control. He's never let me down. And He's not strong.
You know, in the past I may have hidden my talents, afraid to attract attention, reluctant to shine too bright. Maybe I was afraid of failure or not being good enough. But the divine light within me shines brightly. It would not be there if I were supposed to hide it. And this awareness is taking me out of my comfort zone and let me share my talents with others. And I celebrate everyone who shares their talents with people. I think there's an important light within you, all of us. And for many of us, it takes 50 years to shake all our demons, but when we do, freedom!
Not know why, but through every trial, I know my God and I know He's good. He's faithful and kind.
Yeah!
He's always on time. I know my God and I know He's good. I may not know why, but through every trial, I know my God and I know He's good. He's faithful and kind. He's always on time. I know my God and I know He's good. What if the breakthrough comes after the breakdown? What if the healing comes after the pain now? He won't waste a single tear. He has something for you here. And don't lose hope. What if the trial comes after the trial? Even if sadness is here for a while, He's doing something new. What He started, He'll see through. Don't lose hope. No, don't lose hope.
When you let God into your life, He will come in. But you first got to drop all your sin and pick up your own cross. I hope you all get to experience this, because God is so good. So good. Run to the Lord. There is only one King, King Jesus. For he taketh away the sins of the world, and he brings us to life. Let him come into your life. He is so good. Get a taste of it.